Uses of prepositions, magic preposition box. Watch the animations of different prepositions and learn their uses in various situations. Here we see a ball is loitering here and there, and it is not under the control of the magic preposition box. In the example, we have seen that the ball is moving here and there, and it is beyond the control of the magic preposition box. Here, beyond is preposition. So it is the question, when do we use the preposition beyond? Beyond is used when something is not under the other thing. That time we use beyond or out of this preposition. In other example, we can say the student is beyond the control of the teacher. Here, beyond is preposition. In other example, we can say it is beyond my means. That means I am not capable of doing it. We are going to the next one. Here, a ball is moving here and there like the previous one, and in the example we have seen that the ball has started moving here and there again. It has gone out of the control of the magic preposition box. Here the magic preposition box cannot control the movement of the ball. In other example, we can say the boy is out of control of his father. We are going to the next one. Here we see that a ball is coming to the magic preposition box. In the example, we have seen that the ball is coming to the magic preposition box again and again. So when do you use the preposition to? To is used to indicate the destination. Yes, the ball is coming here to the destination. What is the destination? The center of the magic preposition box, it is the destination, and the ball is coming to that position. When something comes to the destination, just before the destination we use the preposition to. That is why we have used here to. The ball is coming to the magic preposition box. In other example, we can say the students are going to market. Here, market is the destination where the students are going. In other example, we can say he is going to London. So London is the place, that means it is the destination where the man is going. Okay, we are going to the next one. Here, two balls are coming to the magic preposition box, but it is not reaching the destination. So we can say two balls are coming towards the magic preposition box repeatedly. Here we have used the preposition towards. So why don't we use to in this regard? To is used to indicate the destination. Just before destination we use to. But here two balls are coming to the destination, but it is not reaching the destination. In other example, we can say a boy is coming towards us. Here we have used towards because a boy is coming to our destination, that means to our position, to our place, but he has not reached yet. He has started coming to our position, but he is still on the way. So to indicate the movement of something to reach their destination, we use the preposition towards. We are going to the next one. Here we see two balls are running. The green ball is running first and the red ball is following it. So in the example, we can say the red ball is trying to move with the green ball. So it is our question, when do we use the preposition with? The preposition with is used to indicate the involvement of something, or when an action is done with the help of other things, then just before the other thing we use with. In other example, we can say Shojib is living with his uncle in Dhaka. So before his uncle we have used the preposition with. We are going to the next one. A red ball is moving around the magic preposition box, but it is not touching the border of the magic preposition box or other buttons. So we can say the red ball is moving smoothly without touching anything. So when do you use without? When an action is done by not involving anything, that time we can use without. In other example, we can say, I can do the work without your help. Before your help, we have used the preposition without. We are going to the next one. A ball is coming out of the magic preposition box. So we can say, the ball is coming out from the magic preposition box. So when do we use from? From is used to indicate the place from where something emits, origins, prevents, or departs. When something departs from a place, so before that place we usually use from. From the magic preposition box, here a ball is coming out. That is why before the magic preposition box we have used the preposition from. In other example, we can say, he has come from London. So London is the place from where he has come. So before that place, that means London, we have used from. We are going to the next one. The green ball is moving up and down, and again up and down, and again up and down. Yes, it is moving for a long time. So we can say, the ball is moving up and down for a long time. So here for is the preposition. When do we use the preposition for? This preposition is used to indicate the time. In other example, we could say, ball was moving for a short time. Or in other example, we can say, the girl has been suffering from fever for 3 days. Here 3 days is the time, and before that time we have used the preposition for. We are going to the next one. A ball is going upward and then downward, and again upward and then downward. The ball is trying to reach the ceiling, that means the upper line, but it could not touch the upper line. So we can say, the ball is about to touch the upper line. Here we know that about is the preposition which indicates regarding. But here about does not indicate regarding. Here about indicates almost. That means its meaning is the ball is almost touching the upper line. Here about means almost. In other example, we can say, the man was about to die. That indicates that the man was near about dead. But actually he was not dead. We are going to the next one. Out of 4 balls, 3 balls are moving here and there. But the green ball is still in its position. It is not moving. So we can say, all the balls are loitering besides or except the green ball, or except the green one. So when do we use except or besides or without? When an action is done by not involving other things, that time we use besides or except before the other thing. Here all the balls are loitering except the green one, that means except the green ball. In other example, we can say, all the students except Rakib went there. That indicates all the students went there, but Rakib did not do so. We are going to the next one. One ball is moving up and down very quickly, but the green ball is moving very slowly. Up is used to indicate the position. Here we do not indicate the green ball. We have indicated the speed of the green ball. So here up has been used to indicate the speed of the green ball. We could say in other way, the green ball's speed is very slow. Apostrophe S can be used instead of the preposition of. In other example, we can say, the importance of this question should not be ignored. Here of is the preposition. We are going to the next one. A ball is moving up and down, and it is moving just beside the left side, and it is far apart from the right side. So we can say the ball is moving off the right side. This off is usually used to indicate 2 things. Off sometimes means stuff, off sometimes means apart or a distant place. For an example, we can say, please switch off the fan. Here off indicates stuff. Or in other example, we can say, he is walking off the shore. That means he is walking in a long distance from the shore. We are going to the next one. The red ball is moving and the green ball has started moving afterwards. So we can say, the green ball starts moving after the red ball. So when do we use after? After is used to indicate the first action. Here the red ball started moving at first, and afterwards the green ball started moving. So just before the red ball, we have used after. In other example, we can say, you can get the chance after my turn. Here, my turn is the first action and you can get the chance is the second action. So, before the first action, that means my turn, we have used after. We are going to the next one. A green ball is moving clockwise and then anti-clockwise. Clockwise means from right side to left side, and anti-clockwise means from left side to right side. So we can say the ball moved clockwise before anti-clockwise. So when do we use before? Before is used to indicate the second action. So before the second action, we use the preposition before. Here second action was anti-clockwise movement and first action was clockwise movement. So before the anti-clockwise movement, we have used the preposition before. In other example, we can say, he is sitting before me. Here before is the preposition. Or in other example, we can say, my friend came to me before my departure. Here my departure, before this, we have used the preposition before. We are going to the next one. A ball is going through the magic preposition box. It is coming to the magic preposition box and enters into the magic preposition box and then afterwards disappear. So we can say the ball is passing through the magic preposition box. So when do we use through? Through indicates inside passing. Here the ball is coming to the magic preposition box and it is passing inside the box. That is why we should use through. In other example, we can say some people are walking through the garden. Here through is the preposition we have used. We are going to the next one. A ball is passing from the left side to the right side and it is crossing the magic preposition box. But while it is passing, it jumps. So we can say the ball jumps while crossing the magic box. Here while preposition has been used. When do we use the preposition while? Preposition while is used to indicate a continuous action. Suppose in other example we can say the man met his friend while going to market. Here going to market was the continuous action and before that we have used the preposition while. Okay, thank you very much. If you like this channel, please subscribe this channel, share this video with your friends and don't forget to give us like. Thank you very much.